Hey there, it's Freeman White here. Now, I caught the plein air bug again yesterday after painting with my mate Sam Belzer up Tomato Peak. Well, Sam, it's been heaps of fun painting with you, bro. How's the experience been?
Yeah, fantastic.
Well, it's always fun painting with other artists, but Sam's now gone back to Wellington, so today it's only me. I've dropped the kids off at the grandparents. Found a cool little spot down by the river. Now, it's the middle of the day, you can hear the cicadas are out, and the light is, I don't know, it's probably not the ideal lighting situation that I would normally go for. I'd often go for early morning or late afternoon, but gotta take what you can get. So I'm going to set up, try my hand at a little plein air painting down by the Tukituki River. Let's check it out. There's an old apple tree on the side of the road there. Okay, as I'm getting a little bit higher here on the crest of this hill, you see this cool little river aspect. I think that's what I'm going to try and paint today. Well, this little scene looks as pretty as a picture. All I have to do is find a good place to set up and paint. Hopefully there's enough room for me to set up right here. It's a bit tight, I'm right by the side of the road, but sometimes you just got to do it. Bit of a message here on this tree. Someone's been here. It says, "Be happy." Well, certainly in my element, although the wind has picked up a bit. Why does that always happen when I'm just about to paint? Okay, I'm going to be a little bit naughty and jump this fence because there's a nice flat area there that I can set up just down from the road. And look, this cool little view in between the trees. I think that's me. I set up my little pochard box in the shade of one of these old poplar trees. Now, that dappled light is a little bit of a distraction at times, I'm not gonna lie, but it does save me from getting cooked. Well, it is lovely out here, but the excuse for thinking that it's always windy certainly seems to be every time I choose to go out and paint. It's no exception. But as I often say, wind is much better than rain, so I'm going to soldier on and see how I go. Now when I'm painting outside, I'm always trying to distill the scene down to its essence, which means a little bit of compression on those values. Now, if it looks to you like I've done a few of those shadows a little bit dark, well, that's deliberate. Likewise, when it comes to detail, I want to get away with the bare minimum. So here I go, implying some of that detail in those poplar trees over the other side of the river. Now, by that logic, I probably should have moved on to slightly larger brushes for the foreground. But hey, I'm only human. It's important to look back on this process actually, because it definitely gives me ideas about how I can economize my brushwork and improve my plein air painting for my next excursion. A little bit windy out, but I've had an awesome time painting here in the Tukituki Valley. What a beautiful spot. So much energy in the air. It's a beautiful summer's day, so I guess the wind's just kind of cooled me down a little bit. I hope you enjoy this video, and until next time, keep those paintbrushes moving. For more great content, follow me on Instagram.